Good morning, everyone. Today I am showing you the history of the goddess Sanalma at Sanaldam village, Mangrol near Tharad, location in Vav Tharad district, Gujarat in India country. The history of goddess Sanalma is too old as approximately 700 years. At that time in Kathiawad, Veda Appa, a Charan Gadhvi's daughter named Sani, and his family arrived. After some time, Veda Charan's family were affected by drought condition and they were resourceless and foodless. Then the family were migrated to Veda Appa's friend's house for shelter. In between time, Sani and Veda Appa's friend's son named Vijanand have bonded with love in childhood. After showed happiness of their children, they decided to marry each other and they promised for marriage. After end of drought condition, all were well settled and Veda Appas and his family gone to their village. After some years, Vijanand's family were destroyed, leaving Vijanand alive. He had residenceless and foodless. Vijanand reached to Veda Appa's village for remember his promise for marriage of Sani and Vijanand. But after showing the condition of Vijanand, Veda Appa given a challenge to collect 100 white-headed buffalo within next Kachhi New Year. Vijanand accepted the challenge, but he was failed to complete within time. He lost the challenge. After that, Sani gone to make hard austerities, devotion, and meditation. At the hard cold mountain in the lap of Himalayas, she was finally gave up and lost her life. When she was passed by Mangrol village, she stayed overnight and in next morning she done 2 sticks of jamun and buried in soil. The whole big plant is grown from 2 sticks of jamun. At present day, the jamun tree is present at Mangrol Dam. Nowadays, 14 and at full moon, there is much crowdness of devotees and blessed offering of sukhdi, a fudge or sweet brittle. The Gujarati movie named Sani Vijanand was also made from this true love story. Jai Sanalma, Jai Sanalma. Now you are watching the place of Mangrol Tam at Mangrol village. near the Tharad location. I have requested to you. Please come here for visiting and getting blessing of Goddess Channelma at Mangrol Dham village Mangrol near Tharad location. Thank you for watching.